Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. In this video, we will learn create a new app that is nothing but a quiz app we will try to develop using the useReducer. Instead of using this use state and all those things, we'll try to use completely the useReducer and we'll develop a simple quiz app. So let's create the app here. I am using the same old create React app only. So afterwards, we'll try to do it. These all things. Create React app. Quiz app. So I am trying to develop a quiz app here. So let's enter. So let it take some time to install. So now here the quiz app project has been created. Let's go into the quiz app directory. So quiz app I am opening and I will open this one in our Visual Studio Code. So let it open. Yeah, it has been opened. So I'll try to maintain half of screen also for this project. Okay, and here let's start the server. npm start. So if you start the server, so it will take some time to start the server. Okay, let it take some time. So it has been installed. So the project is running. So let's open this project and I will try to minify this one also. So now it is both the things are side by side. So let's go to the project here and I will be opening our app.js. So this is our app.js, right? I don't want this logo, and here this one is also entire thing. I will try to remove it. So here we will be having div class name is equal to container. We will be having a container, and I will try to do one thing. Hello app or something like this. I'll try to do it. And let's open this app.js, app.css. I'm opening. I will remove this entire thing and I will give the box sizing of border box. Okay, and that's it. And container, I will take the container, and in this container what I will do is width I will give it as an 80%. Okay, margin auto. Let's keep it like this. And in our thing, I will try to create a new folder that is nothing but components. So as we all people are aware of this one, so I'm not going to stress these all the component creation and all those things. So this is our header.js, and here I will go export default function header, and in this header I will return h1 or anything quiz app. Okay, so this is our quiz app. Now let's go to the app.js, and here I want to add this header. I have added it. So now let's go to the here, and we got this quiz app. So here I will do class name is equal to header. Okay, and let's go to the app.css, and here I will add this header, text align center, and another one is I will do the body. I will give the body background color of #ee. Okay, and here I will give something like color for this one as #fc23fc or anything. So it's a pink color. Okay, let's try to keep it. And font size is 2rem or anything. And I think hopefully, so this one is fine. I think this already it's an h1. So okay, let's leave it like this. So another one which I want to display it here is the main thing. Okay, so main. So this is our main, and here let's create a component main. In this components I will create a main.js. Export, let's close this one. Yeah, export default function main. Okay, so this is our main, and here I will do return div main component. I will do like this only, main component. And here in our app.js, let's import this main component. That's it, done. So now here this is our main component. Now we need to get the what I want to do is so API data. So we need to have an API. So for the time being, what I will try to do is I am installing a fake API. So for this one, what we need to do is npm install json-server. So this is our fake API. Okay, not fake API. So this is our JSON server. So which we will create a what I would try to tell you is, so here I will create a data folder. Okay, so data in this data folder I will create a new file that is nothing but quiz.json file. So I already have the data for this one, so I will have this data for this one. So just some random questions I will be having, and I will paste this entire thing into this one. Yeah, that's it. So here I will have another one, something like I will try to maintain the points for this. So 10 points, and here up from here to here I will copy. For everyone I will try to keep the 10 points for every question. So it's a general random questions, so I too don't know the answers about this one. I copied it from somewhere in the internet. Let's try to check whether we can able to answer these quiz questions or not. So this is our total points. So now somehow we need to open it as an API. So how we can open this one? So we have installed this one, right, server. So let's go to the package.json file. So in our package.json file, what I want to try to release, so here this is our scripts. So here I will be adding one server. So here what I can say is json-server. So which file it needs to watch? Watch the file that is data-quiz.json file. Okay, and the port you need to have is the 9001 or anything, which whatever the port it is, 9001. Let's keep it. And here I will run the server npm run server. So if it tries to run the server, let's see what will happen. So it is trying to run the server. So here it is running data-quiz.json port 9001. Let's see. Data must be an object found array. Okay, so as this one is an array, let's try to keep it as an object. It is asking it should be an object. Okay, so here I will add the questions as like this. Okay, and this one is an object. At the end I will try to close it so that this is not an array of object. Now it is a complete object. Now let's see whether we can able to get it or not. So here it is. Yeah, now it is working. So it is telling that copy this one and paste it here so that you will be able to, oh sorry, localhost 9001 / questions. So here this is our API which is it is telling. Oh, what it is happening. So let's run it again. Localhost 9001 questions. So I am running. Yeah, now we are able to get these all the questions. So now this time we are getting it as an array of objects. Fine. So this is how we are getting it. Now we are able to, we have an API URL. So fake questions we are having, and in the app.js, so we need to call using the use effect on mounted. We need to fetch these all the details and we need to add it. So this is our total complete setup in our the quiz app thing. So in the next video we will try to do this all fetch thing and all those things. We'll try to implement this one. So hope you understood about this one. So what I will try to do is I will commit this code in new branch, that is video-86. So here this is our new project, new quiz app I am trying to develop. So let's commit this entire code and I will publish this branch. So that's it guys about this one. So in the next video we will try to fetch these all API details and we will try to display those all things one by one. We will try to implement it. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.